You want to go out on the site for a rip, bud?
Yeah, buddy.
All right, we're back on the site on a very frosty morning. We're on the west side of the site with a member of the industrial development team from the city of St. Thomas.
I am Nathan Bokma, Senior Project Manager with the city.
So Nathan, tell us what work is going on over here.
Well, right now, our contractor is extending water and sewer services to the PowerCo parcel. Back in 2021, we put in sanitary and water services, extended out to this point here, and now we're just bringing it down the road a bit further. And also, there's going to be future hydro lines extended to the parcel, as well as internet fiber.
So basically what we're seeing go in now is all of the preliminary servicing that's going to serve the St. Thomas Battery Gigafactory as they go through the process of construction and building the facility.
Exactly. They're getting ready for them when they're going to be starting, hopefully in the new year, to start building the first parts of the site.
Now I see down in this hole here, we've got a very interesting contraption. What's this this device that's in the trench?
So because our sewer is so deep, the contractor has to have a trench box here for the deep excavation. It minimizes the amount of cut that the contractor has to do in order to install the services, as well as gives a safe space for the workers when they're installing the sewer to work from. So there's a couple of folks that are down in the trench right now that are helping assist with the installation of the sewer, so that keeps them safe and allows us to do this a little bit quicker.
What preparation has to be done underneath at the bottom of these trenches in order to create a good surface for the pipes that get laid down so that they're dimensionally stable?
So the excavator obviously digs down to a suitable level. They put down a layer of stone or sand. In this case, they're using stone because it's so deep. So the stone acts as a bedding material for our piping. And then once the pipe is then pushed into place into the gasket from one pipe into another, and then backfilled with stone or sand. And then once that's all done, the trench box will get pulled forward and we'll start placing fill material behind the trench.
So Nathan, we're extending the services onto the site here, but I understand some of the services were already at the edge of the site.
Yeah, back in 2021, through a city contract, we extended the service to a point just behind me, which really set us up well for consideration for this site for the Volkswagen battery plant.
So the work that we did a few years ago put us in a position that we could deliver quick timelines with the installation of this site.
Exactly. Through council's approval and endorsement, the servicing that we did here really set us ahead.
I've heard some people say that the engineers have the most important job on the job site. Would you agree with that?
As an engineer, without a doubt, the engineer has the most important job on the site. We provide the designs, the elevations, everything that the contractors, the equipment operators need to do for them to build what we need to have on site. So without a doubt, the engineers have the most important job on the site.
Well, thank you, Nathan, for taking us out here and showing us the work that's going on the west side of the site.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for having me, and make sure you remember to smash that subscribe button for more videos from the Beehive.